boxing it up. Come on, let's see. Now I got it out of the box. This is how it looks like. Let me get the plastic off. So I think this is the hair beaner. This is the brush to comb our hair. And we also have different kinds of these. See, and we also have hearts over here. We got pink one. Now we will test out these little tiny round shapes. And you also have some round ones, big. But I want this. I could just put it on the machine. Sometimes it doesn't work, but let's try it out. And I want to put it right over here. The hook is very hard to get out, so and it got stuck in my hair.
So I'm not testing that out again.
Bye guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe.